everyone! It's Miss Emily here from Union Public Library. Welcome to this week's take-home craft tutorial. This week we're going to make a watermelon fan out of a paper plate. In your kit you will find half of a paper plate like this, tissue paper in two different colors, a reddish pink as well as green, and a clothespin. So your clothespin may look like this, or it might be a pinkish kind of color. So all you have to provide from home is glue, whether it's a glue stick like this or Elmer's glue, and a black marker. Let's get started. You'll see that I've already cut my tissue paper up into small pieces, give or take square inch. You can either cut them with scissors, or if you prefer you can tear them with your fingers. Either way works. So make sure that you do this to both colors of your tissue paper, and once the tissue paper has been prepared we can start by gluing the outside, the green part of the watermelon, along the curved edge of the paper plates. So I've glued it all on, and it'll look a little something like this. You may discover that you have some pieces going past the edge of it, so you can leave it kind of nice and jagged like that, or if you prefer you could fold them over for a neater look. Either way works. It's whatever way you prefer. And I'm skipping ahead a little bit, but after we complete this side, if you'd like, you have the option of also decorating the other side to look like a watermelon. So if you have if you have extra pieces of tissue paper in both colors, you are welcome to do that. Alrighty, now we're gonna move on to the beautiful pinkish part. Now if you'd like, you can leave a small white band in between the two colors, and that acts as the rind, if you will. So it's time to add the edible part of the watermelon. So let's glue on the other tissue paper color. I feel like it's easiest just to put all your glue on at once and then stick on each piece, but if you want to apply a little bit of glue and then put a piece of tissue paper on and apply some more glue and repeat, that works too. Whichever method you prefer. And it should look a little something like this. All right, and again, the white band in between the green and the pink or red is totally optional. So if you wanted to include the pink so that it touches the green, that works, okay? Your choice. So we're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna go on to the other side and repeat the process. Alrighty, so I've gone ahead and decorated both sides of the paper plate to look like a watermelon, and we're gonna let the glue dry completely before adding the seeds. Alrighty, once your glue is dry, you can take your black marker and start to add seeds on the pink or red part of your watermelon. You can add as many seeds as you'd like. Alright, this is what they look like. So now I'm going to do the other side. Voila! So both sides of our watermelon fan now have some seeds. And the last step is to take our clothespin, open it up, which you do just by pinching it like this, and place it in the center of the flat edge of the paper plate, like so. And you have a nice watermelon fan to keep you cool on a hot summer day. So we encourage you to send us a picture of your fan. Email us at kids@uplnj.org. And you could also check out our virtual art gallery, where if you send us pictures of this art project or any other ones, we'll add them to our virtual art gallery. So go to uplnj.org/kids. And then once you are on that page, click onto the art gallery, and you'll see a slideshow of everyone who has submitted a craft project of their wonderful masterpieces. So I hope you enjoy your beautiful new watermelon fan, and we'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.